right into my base color, which is going to be a purple. I'm not gonna lie. When I was mixing this color, I was like, this ain't the color on the box, shawty, so what's going on? But I was like, I guess I'll just go with it. Maybe when it dry, it'll look like the purple I'm looking for. So after the base, I'm going to separate it because I'm going to go into a lavender color and a pastel pink. Yes, I am only using 3 colors. Well, 2 maybe if you want to count lavender as purple. Whatever. I'm rambling. So let's get back to the video. Now I am going to kind of work this in better than I did the other wig because I want a lot of color to be popping. Y'all gonna see me struggle, of course, with this wig head, but please like, subscribe, and press that notification button for your girl. Here we go. So, working that right on in. Now off to this pastel pink that I seem to can't get right either. We putting that just right on top. Oh girl, I'm all in the frame. Trying to work that pink in, honey. Team Natural. So after the pink, we're going right back into that lavender. And on the last wig, I did take smaller parts, but on this one, I am taking bigger parts because one, we're only using 2 colors for the bubble technique, and then 2, this wig is really, really, really thin, way thinner than the other wig. So these big parts, if you can see, don't even look big. They look really thin. I was mad when I got this wig. It was supposed to be 180% density. This ain't it, girl. But anyways, I'm rambling and struggling, trying to get this hair right. But so I'm trying to get a close up of the front because I want to try to show me how close I get it to the lace. Some of it I did get on the lace, but it didn't stain it. And I do this because I hate blonde roots because I feel like when you dye a real head, the roots ain't gonna be blonde. So I hate to see color wigs with blonde roots. So I'm trying to get as close as possible. I did not protect this lace like I normally do because I was still unpacking, to be honest. Now working that in because I am going to melt the colors in. Kind of like doing the ombre, melt them together. Trying to get this camera right. I'm gonna get it right, I promise y'all. Before my 10th video, I'm gonna get it together. I also am putting more of the dark purple in the front than I did in the back. And this time I'm actually going to go through and part it. In the back I didn't do that. Now on to this next section. I am gonna do the dark purple and melt that pink right into it. I actually was trying to get more of the pink, but yeah, I'm gonna see my failure at the end. Anyways, melting, melting, melting. Once again, doing that dark purple more. I was really, really hoping this purple turned out right because it looks a little blue. Going into that bubble technique again, putting that pink right on top. Now here, I'm almost done. I'm just gonna turn the bobblehead around bobblehead to show you what it's looking like. Processing porn. So I didn't lose the rest of it, but I'm just showing as much as I can of me trying to get this side of the head. But it's basically the same thing. I'm just going back through with those same three colors. And here I am with the finished look. I do like it. I did want it to be more pink, but it came out like this. The top of the hair do look a kind of like a bluish, purplish color, like a denim blue purple color, but it was cute. I'm cute. She cute. We cute. Yeah.